In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export email designs to Klaviyo in 2025. This is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. We'll start with creating your email design on Canva, a popular choice for many due to its user-friendly interface and wide range of templates. First, create your email design using one of Canva's email templates. When designing, keep in mind that it's crucial for your email to be optimized for its final destination. Avoid using too many large images, as these can slow down loading times when delivered to recipients' inboxes. Once you've perfected your design, look for the share button located at the top right of your Canva screen. Clicking here will give you an option to download. For email purposes, it's important to select the correct file format, so choose either PNG or JPEG. These formats are ideal for image-based emails and provide a good balance between quality and file size. Once your design is downloaded, the next step is to upload it to Klaviyo. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account. From the dashboard, navigate to the campaign section and click on Create Campaign. This begins the process of setting up a new email campaign. Here, you'll want to select the drag and drop editor. This user-friendly editor allows for easy insertion of various content blocks and is perfect for placing your Canva design into your email. If your design includes images, you'll need to insert them into your email using the image block. Simply drag the image block into your email template and upload your design from your computer. Make sure that each image is optimized. Reducing file sizes not only enhances loading speeds but also improves the recipient's experience, especially on mobile devices. Klaviyo naturally supports responsive design, ensuring that your emails look great whether they're viewed on a desktop or a smartphone. Before we wrap up, let's discuss some final touches. Always take advantage of Klaviyo's preview and testing features before hitting send on your campaign. This allows you to see exactly how your email will appear to your audience and catch any potential issues ahead of time. Testing is an essential step to ensure your email is flawless, engaging, and ready to go. To summarize, exporting your email designs from Canva to Klaviyo involves designing with optimization in mind, downloading appropriately, logging into Klaviyo, and carefully setting up your campaign with the drag and drop editor. With these steps, you'll be sending out professionally designed emails in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.